Overwatch has no sound, no music, no game audio, complete silence. Maybe it cuts out mid-match. Maybe you launched it and it was already gone. Or maybe it's just the voice chat that disappeared while everything else still works. Track this down. It almost always lands in one of three places. Windows quietly muted Overwatch without you touching anything. The game is pointing at the wrong output device, or a Windows update shifted your default audio. Here's how to fix Overwatch sound not working. First stop is the Windows volume mixer. Windows mutes individual apps all the time, and Overwatch is one of the most common ones that get knocked. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar, bottom right, next to the clock. Click Open Volume Mixer. A list of apps will appear. Find Overwatch. If the slider is bottomed out or the speaker icon has an X through it, that's your problem right there. Drag the slider back up, click the speaker icon to unmute it, launch a match and check. If you've got sound, drop a comment saying fixed. Helps the next person find this. Still nothing? Overwatch might be locked onto an audio device you're not using anymore. A monitor, an old headset, something you unplugged. Open Overwatch, go to Options, then Sound. In the middle, you'll see Playback device. Check what it's set to. If it's pointing at anything other than your current speakers or headset, switch it. Set it to your actual output device. Back out of the menu. Give it a listen. Audio back? You're done. Not fixed yet? This one catches a lot of people after Windows Update silently swap your default playback device. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar again, and click Sound Settings. Under Output at the top, check what device Windows has selected. If it's not your speaker or headset, open that dropdown and switch it to the right one. One more thing while you're here. Scroll down the volume mixer, find Overwatch in that list. Click it, and make sure its output is set to default, or your preferred device. Sometimes the app level setting overrides the system default. Close settings, launch the game, and test it. One of those three should have your Overwatch sound come back. Fixed? Let me know in the comments. If you're still getting nothing, tell me exactly what's happening. Is it all audio gone? Is it just in-game sounds while voice chat still works? Or did it go silent mid-session? I read every comment and I'll help you dig into it. For other Overwatch issues, mic cutting out, FPS drops, crashes, those are on the channel.